Voyagers in Space, written by Cheryl Ripsnander. Focus question. Are the Voyager spacecraft important? Why or why not? One tough job. The United States sent two Voyager spacecraft into space in 1977. The job was to fly past Jupiter and Saturn, two giant planets in our solar system. Scientists built the Voyager to be tough. Still, they thought the Voyagers would only work for about 5 years. More than 35 years later, both spacecraft are still working. Planning. The trip was carefully planned. The planets all move around the sun at different speeds. Sometimes they are on the same side of the sun. Sometimes they are opposite sides. In the late 1917s, the four biggest planets in our solar system are lined up near each other. They were close enough together that the Voyagers could visit them all in one trip. The main task. The Voyager's first job was to study Jupiter and Saturn, the larger moons and Saturn's rings. As the two spacecraft flew, they made discoveries about our solar system. Jupiter. The Voyager's first target was Jupiter, the solar system's largest planet. People had already seen Jupiter through telescopes, but the Voyagers gave a much better view. It showed that the Great Red Spot was a huge spinning storm that was discovered a ring around Jupiter, like the ones around Saturn. They also helped scientists learn more about Jupiter's moons. Saturn. The Voyagers arrived at Saturn 9 months apart in 1980 and 1981. They took pictures that showed new rings around the solar system's second largest planet, Uranus. After passing Saturn, Voyager 1 headed toward deep space. Voyager 2 kept going toward Uranus. This strange light blue planet is tipped on its side. Voyager 2 passed Uranus in early 1986. Neptune. Next, Voyager 2 flew toward Neptune. It passed the planet in August of 1989 and discovered 5 new moons. Then, like Voyager 1, Voyager 2 began its journey toward deep space. The Golden Record. The Voyagers aren't just collecting information. They are also carrying a message. It's a greeting to other living things that may be in space. The message is on the golden record on the side of each spacecraft. The record has music, art, and people from around the world saying hello on it. The outside of the record has a map that shows where Earth is. Other living things could use a map to find our planet. But that probably won't happen soon. Voyager 1 won't come close to another star for at least 40,000 years. The final task. Now that the Voyagers have finished exploring planets, they have a new task. The job is to explore space beyond our solar system. In August 2012, Voyager 1 left our solar system and began this new journey. The spacecraft is the first thing made by people ever to leave our solar system. In August 2012, Voyager 1 left our solar system and began this new journey. The spacecraft is the first thing made by people ever to leave our solar system. Conclusion. Voyager has opened up our solar system, says protect scientist Dr. Edward Stone. The two spacecraft flew past all of the solar system's giant outer planets and many moons. Now the Voyagers are giving us a first look at deep space while carrying a message from Earth.